Good morning, welcome to the new chapter Medieval World. The main feature of medieval Europe was feudalism. The king was at the top of this organization while the farmers populated the lowest stratum. The social status formed on the basis of the control on the land. The growing importance of the church elevated and strengthened the Pope's position. In Europe, many cities originated because of the development of trade. From this chapter, we can understand about the formation of feudalism, feudal social organization, development of cities, changes in the field of education and art, the cultural progress and achievements of the Chinese and the Arabs during this period. In European history, the Middle Age or medieval period lasted from 5th to the 15th century. It began with the collapse of the Western Roman Empire and merged into the Renaissance and the Age of Discovery. Feudalism originated from the German word feud. Feud means a piece of land. Feudalism is a social system that existed in Europe during the Middle Age, in which people worked and fought for nobles who gave them protection and the use of land in return. In European history, the Middle Age or Middle Period lasted from 5th to 15th century. What is the word meaning of feudalism? Feud. Word meaning of feud. Feud means a piece of land. Feudalism is a social system that existed in Europe during the Middle Age. Medieval European society divided into various strata. Just identify the various strata of medieval European society. King, lords, lesser lords, farmers. This is the strata. First king, then lords, lesser lords and farmers. The king enjoyed the highest status in the society. He was the sole owner of the entire land. King was the sole owner of the entire land. He distributed land among the lords. In return, the lords offered military service. The lords in turn gave a part of their land to lesser lords and demanded services from them. This social system in medieval Europe, formed on the basis of land ownership, is called feudalism. Feudalism was a combination of legal and military customs in medieval Europe that flourished between the 9th and 15th century. Which are the various strata of medieval European society? King, lords, lesser lords and farmers. And who enjoyed the highest status in the society? King. King was the sole owner of the entire land and he distributed land among the lords. The farmers stood at the lowest stratum of the feudal society. They were the majority and were compelled to work in fields and houses of the lords. The vast areas of land held by the lords were known as manor. Apart from the fields, each manor consisted of meadows, manor house. The residence of the lord is known as manor house, mills, huts of farmers and a place of worship. The vast areas of land held by the lords were known as manor. The farmers stood at the lowest stratum of the feudal society. The king enjoyed the highest status in the society.